Welcome to an extraordinary journey through the life and groundbreaking discoveries of Sir Alexander Fleming, the Scottish biologist whose accidental revelation revolutionized medicine. In this captivating video, we delve deep into the life and scientific journey of this exceptional man, whose accidental discovery of penicillin marked a turning point in the history of healthcare and forever changed the way we combat bacterial infections. Sir Alexander Fleming was born on August 6, 1881, in Lochfield, a small village in Scotland. Raised on a farm, his curiosity about the natural world and the living organisms around him blossomed from an early age. Little did he know that this inquisitive spirit would lead him to one of the most profound discoveries in the history of medicine. Fleming's passion for biology and medicine prompted him to pursue a medical education at St. Mary's Hospital Medical School in London. His determination and dedication to research led him to focus on bacteriology, a field that was still in its infancy at the time. Early in his career, Fleming faced numerous challenges and setbacks. His initial research on antibacterial substances didn't yield any significant breakthroughs, but he persisted, convinced that the answers were waiting to be discovered. The turning point came on a seemingly ordinary day in 1928. It was on September 3, 1928 when something intervened in Fleming's life. While working in his cluttered laboratory at St. Mary's Hospital, he noticed something peculiar, a petri dish that had been accidentally contaminated with mold. To his astonishment, he observed that the bacteria around the mold had died, forming a clear zone of inhibition. This observation would prove to be one of the most significant moments in the history of medicine. Fleming identified the mold as the strain of penicillium and named the substance it produced penicillin. This accidental discovery opened up a new world of possibilities in the fight against bacterial infections. Fleming's subsequent experiments demonstrated the remarkable antibacterial properties of penicillin. He understood its potential to treat a wide range of infectious diseases that had previously posed severe threat to human life. However, producing penicillin in significant quantities for medical use proved to be an immense challenge. As the world grappled with the challenges of World War II, the urgent need for effective antibiotics became evident. Fleming's discovery of penicillin sparked a race to mass-produce the wonder drug to treat wounded soldiers and civilians suffering from bacterial infections. The collaboration of scientists, pharmaceutical companies, and government agencies led to the successful mass production of penicillin. Its administration significantly reduced mortality rates from bacterial infections, providing invaluable in saving countless lives during the war and beyond. In recognition of his groundbreaking discovery, Sir Alexander Fleming was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine in 1945, alongside his colleagues Howard Florey and Ernest Chain, who played vital roles in the development of penicillin. Fleming's speech during the Nobel Prize ceremony echoed his deep commitment to the welfare of humanity and the responsible use of antibiotics. After World War II, penicillin became widely available, transforming the landscape of medicine and saving lives around the world. After the successful mass production of penicillin, Sir Alexander Fleming recognized the significance of responsible antibiotic use. He cautioned against the indiscriminate use of antibiotics, fearing the development of antibiotic-resistant bacteria, a present concern that continues to be a global challenge. Fleming's foresight and advocacy for the responsible use of antibiotics laid the groundwork for the development of antibiotic stewardship programs and efforts to combat the rise of antibiotic-resistant infections. His work on penicillin earned him recognition not only as a brilliant scientist but also a visionary who cared deeply about the future of medicine and the well-being of humanity. Sir Alexander Fleming's legacy endures as a reminder of the power of scientific discovery and the importance of using that knowledge responsibly to benefit society. Today, the legacy of Sir Alexander Fleming and his discovery of penicillin continues to shape modern medicine. Antibiotics remain one of the most essential tools in healthcare, preventing and treating bacterial infections that were once deadly. While Fleming is widely celebrated for his accidental discovery of penicillin, there are some criticisms surrounding his contributions. One of the main criticisms is that Fleming's initial observation of the mold's antibacterial properties was a stroke of luck rather than a deliberate scientific inquiry. Some argue that his discovery was more a matter of chance than a result of a systemic and well-planned research effort. Critics also point out that the full potential of penicillin was not immediately realized, and it took the efforts of other researchers such as Howard Florey and Ernest Chain to develop the drug into a viable treatment option. Criticism of scientific figures and discoveries is a natural part of the scientific process. It helps refine our understanding and encourages researchers to approach their work with rigor and skepticism. Although Sir Alexander Fleming's contributions are not immune to criticism, his impact on medicine remains undeniable, and his discovery of penicillin continues to save millions of lives worldwide. Sir Alexander Fleming's accidental discovery has forever changed the course of medical history, setting a precedent for scientific breakthroughs that can arise from the most unexpected circumstances. His relentless pursuit of knowledge, curiosity, and commitment to humanity have left an indelible mark on the field of medicine. Join us next time as we continue our exploration of the brilliant minds who have shaped our world and continue to inspire generations to come. Thanks for watching.